Rusty, we're having a bit of a... It's very hot outside. Yes, I know, you won't like it too much. Hey, gobble, gobble. Oh, la, 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 la. Hey, we're in the lounge today, eh? Hey. Historic cities and beautiful things. Yes. Yes, we're in the dining room today. We're in the dining room. Yes. Oh, you lovely little creatures. Den, 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 den.
In North Somerset, you can expect to pay around £50,000 more due to its close proximity to the busy hub.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
However, travel south or west, and you'll be rewarded by not only cheaper
Hanukkah.
but also swathes of
Hey, Hanukkah, you want to eat too? He's a bit of a not a gentleman, is he? He's eating first today. He usually lets you eat first. Hey, what a naughty thing he is. Hey, look at that Kirsty's not going to stand for this for long, eh? Oh no. Oh. Cranberry's coming along. Oh, you told her where to get off. You standing up to him as well? Hey, how about going outside, Ellie? Sottia, marsha, marsha. Eh? That's it, you heard me. Come on, marsha, marsha. I'll take it for you. I'll bring the thing out. Come on, din, din, ding. Marsha, marsha. Not that way. Not that way. That way. Allez, marsha, marsha. Yeah, well, I know. I've interrupted your eating. Allez, viens, viens. They'll come if you go. Come on, you're supposed to be the leader of the pack. Oh dear, 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 she's gonna... Oh, I haven't put a step there. It's too high, isn't it? Careful, careful, your legs. I know, you don't want to go down that, do you? Gently does it. I forgot to put a brick there. Gently does it. Oh, that's it. Okay. Allez, dépêche-toi. Come on, ding ding. He's picking up. That's it. It's better than the vacuum cleaner. Okay. Come on then. Slowly does it. You walk slower than a snail. Hey, well, take it easy. The leg's getting better now, isn't it? That nasty neighbour. He wanted to eat you. He wanted to break your legs break, didn't he, when he was shouting and chasing you? He's a nasty. Well, he should eat his own dog. Hey, my turkeys aren't for eating. Allez. There we go. Ding ding. There we go. Oh, it's been about a week since you've been out here, isn't it? Oh, that's better, eh? What a gorgeous creature you are. Den, den, den. I'll get you some water in a minute. Yes, your breathing's not good, is it? Well, the vet said you've got born with water on the lungs as standard. That's what they do to turkeys when we breed. Humans create the breed. So you can't naturally fly. You've got arthritic legs, a weak heart, water on the lungs, breathing problem. But apart from that, you're fit to be killed. Yes, well, that's all that matters, isn't it? Right. Well, what are the doggies doing now? Oh, yes. Oh, well, we don't want to be out, do we? Allez, ding, dépêche-toi. Those lights are really good. I'm pleased they're not just white lights. Oh, he's chirping nicely. Beautiful plant, that is. It comes up every year. And that smells delicious, that does. Dianthus. Porte-malheur, how do you call them? Not primroses, they're called, I don't know, Dianthus is the Latin name anyway. Carnations, there you go. And there's a foxglove. Oh, do stop whimpering, you. Eh? Well, the roses are out too. Oh, yes, they are. Yes. Doucement. Yeah, they're all wilted as soon as they're out. It's far too hot. The mint's doing all right. I want to make some mint tea in a minute. I I don't know if that kale will... Oh, Minette! The vegan cat's out. Oh, la 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 la. Mimi, la petite. Yeah, you're never very far away, are you? Oh, you miserable creature. Hey, yes, we are. We have a vegan cat too. Ooh, la 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 la, la 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 la. We're supposed to be doing a video of you playing for some scientific research before the end of June. Yes. Well, is this playing? Oh yes, it is. Oh, you're a little darling, aren't you? What have you been eating? Grass again? Ah, yes, well that's all right. They're coming, they're coming. The harem is coming. Oh, la 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 la. Ah, the sights of Chester, the sights of Pulford. I've got to do a video of us playing. Yes, I know, she's on the other side. She's coming. She's eating my chives at the moment. Eh? Yes, you don't go very far, do you? Oh, do shut up there. I can hear her whining. Eh? Who's a little darling? What a tail wagger you are. What's all the tail wagging about? Eh? What a lovely pussycat. Oh, it was so hot last summer you went into a silverback grey gorilla. Yes, get in the shade. Oh, come on, move it, girls. Where's the other one? There's one more to come. I can count to 4. I say not even the bleeding heart plant of the Grosvenor Garden Centre's doing well this year, is it? It's overheated. No, you stay over there, you horrible animal. Hey? I'm going to get the others. There's one... Arrête, Fea. Arrête. Je vais la chercher. I'm going to have to chase her out. Allez. Psst, psst. Psst, psst. That's the noise for the cat to move. Oi, are you gobbling my chives up? Yes, I can see that. No. What's she up to? Oh, la 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 la. Oh, you horrible animal. Take the lazy way out. Okay, where's the other one? I say, that honeysuckle's smelling beautiful, and the roses are a waste of time. Oh, I'll go and get you some water now. Come on, Cranberry. Where are you? Oh, you're still at the computer. No, oh, you're limping. Oh dear.